Today we're going to take a quick look at a very different and rather colorful new Honda Monkey 125. This is a collaboration build between the French artist Grims and a custom motorcycle builder, George Woodman. And if that last name gives you a hint at anything, he's a wood man. He's built some of the most beautiful motorcycle parts out of wood in the past, and yep, those skills were brought to the table here as well in the Monkey, with that one-piece upper fairing and fender and the rear undertail being made from wood, which is mind-boggling to me, but what do you guys think? And does anyone else kind of think of a Lego piece when it comes to the front? Then, to go along with Grim's style of artwork, he mixed in different colors, shapes, and designs all over the bike, and minus the designs, the use of those colors reminds me of a certain VW that's a wee bit famous. Now, you may be asking, why tear down a brand new Honda Monkey and turn it into something like this? Well, it's for the Wheels and Waves show out in Europe, and Honda loves to make a splash there, no pun intended. So they contract out multiple artists and shops, put them together, and turn them loose to see just what's possible when it comes to customizing certain motorcycles. And if you're watching this before the end of August, check out the link below to go vote on your favorite bike build. I'm curious though, what do you guys think about this one? Pretty cool or not your style? Let's talk about it all down in the comments, and as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.